Clean and impactful designs come from controlling visual weight through framing. Today, how to design visual weight frames. Open Canva and start with a square canvas. Insert one large frame and position it slightly off-center to create a strong focal point. Upload your image and drag it inside, adjusting it carefully. Add a smaller frame on the opposite side to balance the composition. Select the background and apply a neutral or soft gradient tone. Add thin line elements or subtle shapes to connect both areas, lowering their opacity. Duplicate the main frame and place it behind with reduced opacity for depth. Use position tools to align everything while maintaining balance. Add minimal text